We know that our hospital, just like every other hospital, has to be prepared for the possibility that a patient with Ebola virus might come into the emergency department or through some other means. As a result, it's extremely important that Florida Hospital prepare to rapidly identify and isolate and diagnose that person.
Remove the outer gown.
Florida Hospital has provided a very, very high level of personal protective equipment to our employees that well exceeds the CDC guidelines.
We felt that not that what they recommend isn't good, but we want it to be better.
We're absolutely trained and ready. I feel like we have the proper information. I feel like we have a great support system. You know, we have people working around the clock to take care of this.
Florida Hospital has identified a core team of very dedicated providers who are most likely to take care of a patient with Ebola virus disease.
It's a nerve-wracking thing. Ebola is something that we hear a lot on the news about, but I think that we'll be able to come and work safely with the procedures that they're putting in place.
Apply the second set of gloves over the first set.
What we buy is chemical suits that won't allow things to get through them. And you look at certain things. I look at how long it would take something simple like acid to get through the suit. If you sat directly in a puddle of acid in the chemical suits that we'll be using, it would take 480 minutes for that acid to get through the suit. So when you're looking at vomit and diarrhea and blood, you're very well protected.
We feel it's very important that the training be done not just on what this equipment should be, but how to put it on, how to take it off, and to repeat it time and time again so that we can get that right every time.
Pull it over your head and let it drop behind you.
When you're grabbing your inner hood. That's great.
It's really important that when you take off your equipment, someone looks at you, examines you, and makes sure that you're doing it in a way where you can do it safely without contaminating yourself. The buddy system is something that we think is very important, and we will be utilizing that as part of our processes here at Florida Hospital.
I think it's something that in order to get very comfortable with it, you definitely would have to practice and put it on and off several times to feel comfortable with it. It's very protective. You definitely feel safe inside all the different layers.
I feel 10 times better knowing that I'm much more protected, knowing the fact that I'm going to go home and I'm going to be safe to my family and my loved ones, and I still have a chance to make an effect on people's lives and take care of people.